Welcome to Bad Ranch Automotive. All right, so here we are with our Nissan Pathfinder project. The first thing I needed to do was to pull this grill out of the way because I knew I was going to be leaning into this engine bay and I didn't want to break the grill. We're also going to be doing headlights on this, but I'm not going to touch these headlights now until I pull the front wheels off to do brakes, because I will need to remove the inner wheel liner in order to access the bolts for the headlights. We're changing the headlights out to LED. So many projects coming on this, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front grille and basically what you need to do to get the grill off. All right, so here we are. There will be the top piece of the grill that sits underneath the hood. So first step is to pop your hood. Your latch is right here. This releases so that you can pop the hood open. Hood rod is right on the driver's side. That holds the hood up. You will have pop clips here, 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 and here. These pop clips are the basic style pop clip, guys. Right here, basic style. So you'll pull the center piece out that's in between my thumb and middle finger, and then my pointer is holding the piece that you'll have to pick out. Once you've removed all of those that I just showed you, you will then have to reach your hand through an opening here and press tabs that are located here, 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 and here. You will also have two fixed ones that go into each side of the headlight. Once you've pulled the grill, these will pop. If they don't pop, you can reach in here or come in from the back side and you can actually pop these clips. This will pull that grill and pop that grill loose so that you can pull it completely forward. As you guys see, I have it set over there. Let's take a look at these clips. So on here, these are the bottom ones that you have to release by reaching your hand through this large opening here between the grill and that cowl piece. These are the ones that you have to pop loose. Oftentimes these break, guys. And usually I don't replace them because there's so many fixtures around this grill that hold on tight, especially down through here and the pop clips up on top, that I don't worry about that. But you could replace those once you've taken those off. Again, we're not going to worry about headlights, guys, in this video because you can take this bolt out, and this one out. But there's one more hidden underneath here. The only way to access that is through here. So we're not doing that today. Again, that'll be in a whole nother video, but the reason we took the grill, guys, and I'm going to be doing a bunch of videos here. You guys already see the throttle body hanging here. I've already put a new tensioner and idler pulley on it. I'm chasing down whether or not I need to put a water pump in it. We have an alternator and power steering pump that we have to do on this one. It does need a full oil change. We do need to do valve cover gaskets on both sides, and we need to remove this plenum to do so. These are all future videos, and I will cover the biggest problem when changing anything in this area. The fact is you need to pull the fan shroud. I'm going to cover that in a whole nother video because that is a big mess, and I really want to be detailed with it so that you guys know exactly how to take it out. But to remove the grill, guys, and honestly, if you're going to do this much engine work, it's safer to remove the grill than to leave it in place, lean against it, crack it, and break it. Those grills are very cheap plastic, and if you're going to do anything that you're over the motor for that extended period of time, you're better off just pulling it and not worrying about it. But guys, this is our Pathfinder project, and we've got a lot more coming. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.